Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I'm Monica Githinji, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and to hit on the bell. Have you been wondering where you should put your money? Is it in a Sacco, in a bank, or an insurance company? This is for you so that you make an informed decision with your money, because I'm going to share with you 5 tips that you need to consider when you are making that decision. And also towards the end, I'll give you a bonus how to save money in an effective way, or invest your money in an effective way. Number 1, in a Sacco or in a bank, you will benefit more if you are putting your money for short term, maybe for few months. But in the insurance, you'll benefit more if you are putting your money for long-term goal, maybe to cater for your child high school education. You see, it's very hard to put your money in a bank where you have an ATM for 6 years, so that the money will cater for the child education after the 6 years. Money put in a Sacco or a bank is money for emergency or any need that may arise, and that's why you are given an ATM or a mobile banking app. But for an insurance, it's meant for long-term goals. Maybe in the next 5 years you want to buy a plot and you don't want to go the way of a loan because maybe you don't even have a salary. So if you have an insurance company, they will advise you on how you can put up a savings plan towards achieving that goal using your own money. Yeah. Number 3, money that you have saved or you have put in an insurance savings plan is an asset, because at any given time the company owes you that money. But the money that you have borrowed, maybe from a Sacco, I'm not saying to borrow is bad, but money that you have borrowed is a liability. You are a liability to the company, because at any given time you owe them that money and you have to pay whether you have an income or you don't. Number 4, all the institutions, that is the Sacco, the bank, and the insurance can lend money, but it depends with the institution that you have approached. If it's a Sacco, they mostly lend 3 times of your shares, and then you need to have guarantors. For the bank, they will lend you against a collateral or pay slips, so that they see your capability of paying back the loan. For the insurance company, they will lend you with cautions because they encourage you to save more. And then they can lend you against the policy document, that will be your collateral. And then they will lend you so that as you pay the premiums for the cover, you are also paying the loan. But then the policy must have attained the cash value. That one is a bit technical, but if you have a plan or a policy, you can go to your agent or the company and you'll have a better understanding of what it means to have a cash value. Number 5, getting more than you have is super exciting, but paying it back can be a hassle. So choose wisely on how you are going to borrow and pay back. But if you want to put a pool of fund for yourself, you could consider putting a long-term goal with an insurance company. Use your bank to channel your salary through the account and also for petty cash expenses. Use your Sacco for short-term goals. Use your insurance for long-term goals. And my money saving tip is here. Whenever you get that money, plan for it before you spend it. Don't spend and sit back to analyze, how did I use my money? Until next week, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit on the like and the reminder